Okay, part 2, guys. Let's finish up. Where is the one nozzle? I don't think it's in here. Shoot, where did I put it? Who said it? Oh, there it is. Oh yeah, I was watching the race. The 12-hour race. Careful, man, I want to... We took this off because we're gonna... Since my dad's from Maryland, he's a Redskins fan, so we're going to clean off the carpet thing. Here's how we do it. Doing this one-handed is harder than it looks. Now here's the fun part. Oh. Let's finish this. Now we're going to finish up the big area. Move the cord out of the way. Roar! Take a good look, guys. Look how... Now, go back to part 1 and pause it. Just look how of a nice job it did. I mean, for 10 amps, I mean, it's not 12. For this vacuum, it's amazing. I love using this. thing. Ugh, it's such a good vacuum. Now, unlike the Simplicity 7 at my church, at most Riccars, this right here where my thumb is the switch of most Riccars now. And where the switch is where the bag indicator is. So, this is an older model, so I don't know how full the bag is. Oh, yeah. Oh, all the crap's down there. Which will puff up. So, we're gonna... It doesn't feel too full. I'm gonna see what my mom says. So now, I'm gonna stop recording and just finish her up and put the furniture back and finish cleaning up. Then I'm gonna take a quick video of the stairs with the Riccar. So, thanks for watching, guys. Comment, rate, subscribe. Please leave your comments. And I will be making, today's Friday, tomorrow I will be making the Bissell cleaning video upstairs on the second level. I'll show you how, this is, and you're gonna see how I clean off the filter for the Bissell. And you get to see this baby again. So, let's wake up the computer. I'm a Jeff Gordon fan. As some people will joke around and say I'm a redneck 'cause I like NASCAR, and I just look at them and just shake my head and tell them to buzz off. You don't have to be a redneck to like NASCAR. I just think they're just trying to get to people. So yeah, let's get this to stop. Thanks for watching, guys. It's almost 12 minutes on the laptop, so I am done. Peace out, guys.